Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Phil. I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. And for today's video, we are continuing 5 days of ALiEN. This is a new series I'm introducing to my channel where I take one palette and I do different looks throughout the whole entire week or throughout the whole duration of the 5 days. For this look, I went in with the darker shades at the bottom right here. And this is what I came up with. So if you wish to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, hello, welcome to day 3. Now, just dive right into the look. We're gonna take the shade Titan and just put that all over the lid. Like I said in the past, both last videos, this shade is such a perfect color for me to just set over the eye and just have a blank slate and just make everything nice and even. Overall, I feel like it kind of makes it more even and kind of just gives like a solid base. Alright, so next we're going to go in with tall gray. Just coat that brush and then just put it all over the lid. I'm going to switch up brushes. I'm going to go in and just pack this shade on. Alright, now next I'm going to take a little bit of tall gray on a blending brush and just blend out the outer edge so there's not such a harsh line. Now that we have tall and gray all blended out, I think I'm just going to take that same blending brush. I'm going to dab right into Ghost OG and just deepen up that crease line. I'm not talking crazy now, just literally just a little bit so you can faintly see, you know, the dimension. And then once it's blended out, we're going to go back into Tall Ghost and kind of give a little bit more Tall Ghost on the top. And there we go. I think we are done. Next, I'm going into the shade Probe and kind of put that over my eye. I'm going to wet my brush. And then once I'm done wetting my brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Probe. And then I'm going to put that all over the whole entire lid. Probe is such a pretty shade. I am living for it. Okay, so now we're gonna go, oh, hi new mirror. I got this from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Magnetic palette. And a lot of these are gonna be from like ColourPop. These 3 are from Kylie. I don't have the shades, so I thought it'd be cute. Actually, some of these are from her actual palettes. I just like popped them off and put them in here. Now that I have Probe on my face, I kinda wanna take it up a notch. I'm gonna go in with this Kylie Cosmetics shade called Blizzard. I'm not sure what palette it's originally from, but I bought it as like a single shade, so I'm just gonna go in with that. I like it because it has like a blue duochrome in it. So I'm gonna tap into it ever so lightly, and tap it ever so lightly on my lid too. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with Area 51. I'm gonna take that purple all underneath the eye. Okay, so now I'm putting Area 51. I'm going to start all on the edge. And I'm going to go in all the way to almost to the inner corner. So I kind of created like a harsh line between Area 51 and kind of like Ghost OG, so I'm just going to go in and blend that out. So I'm going to go in with Ghost OG and just blend those 2 colors together. I'm going to go back in with Buzz Off and just really define the shade. Next we're going with the E.l.f. eyeliner in the waterline. Good trick if you want to warm up your pencil, you can go like this. But if you're working on someone else that's not you, you just, to warm up the product, just do it over your hand and that should warm it up so it's a lot easier, so it goes on easier. Okay, so that's typically why I don't do the eyeliner on camera, because it gets super quiet and I'm just like, because best tip is to just relax and just remember you're sticking something in your eyes, so your body's natural reaction is going to be to get it away. So if you're just relax and say it's okay, I want this, this is okay, you'll relax. But how you look like as you're relaxing probably isn't the best. Alrighty, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back, so I did the other eye off camera. So now I'm gonna move on to the final last down details. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit mascara and just coat my lashes. I'm also gonna coat the bottom as well. Oh, I should have used this one. I love this mascara. I don't know why I didn't just use this mascara. Let's double stack the mascaras, shall we? Ooh. Okay, I just went in with the Urban Decay Provision Mascara. Add that on top of the Benefit Roller Lash. And I have to say, it kind of does make it look like itty bitty little falsies, but not the extreme drama that I like. Okay, and now I'm going to put on some lashes. I'm going to go in with the Morphe So Charming Lashes. I need some new lashes. I don't have enough. God damn it, this fucking side won't stay down. Whoever can relate to this moment, leave a comment down below. I guess the only thing I would say is just pack a little bit more glue on the edges than you would in the middle. And get an app clear that looks like this, where it's like a little extender and a little bit of wand on the end, or a little brush on the end. Alright, lashes are finally on. Next we're going to go in with the Jeffree Cosmetics, the Supreme Frost in the shade Wet Dream. It's the only one that I have, and we want to shine all the way up to the aliens. Up to God, up to the aliens, whoever wants, whoever we can outshine and blind first. Ooh, yes, that's beautiful. Yes, God, beautiful. Next, we're going to take this e.l.f. blush, the exact blush I've been using all week long, the Coral Candid. I really like this blush a lot. Okay, for lips, I'm going to go in with the shade Skin Tight. Now, I want overdrawn, humongous lips. So, to achieve that, first we're going to sharpen our Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip liner, because I kind of like dulled out from the last time I used it. Very easy to trim or sharpen, so that's always good. Okay, so my tip and tricks for outlining: don't purse your lips, sit normal, and then I'll draw from there. And then when I'm done outlining, I like to kind of like fade in the line inward. And then this little inner corner of your lip, kind of just like tie that together. So since I did kind of use a dark lip liner, I'm kind of trying to use Skin Tight to cover it all up. But it's poking through, but that's okay. It'll almost look ombre-ish. Alright, so now we have the lips, we have highlighter on, lashes on. I think we are done. Last is going to be setting spray. We're going to go in with the famous Urban Decay 24-hour... Next, we're gonna go with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Give it a good shake and set the face. Whew. Oh, excuse me. We need to bring the shade. Alrighty, and so for this video in particular, I didn't use any new products at all whatsoever, so I don't really have anything to say about any new products. But I did play with the darker shades of the ALiEN palette. What I will say is, if you're not used to playing with darker shades, there was fallout just because they're eyeshadows. They're normally gonna have fallout. So if you're not used to, if you don't have a routine that secures no fallout falling on your face, what I would say is I would do the eyes first before doing the whole entire face, so that you don't ruin your pretty makeup. But yes, for this purple gray eye look, I enjoyed making it. I love the way the purple turned out. I love the way Probe turned. Probe is such a pretty color, and I love the way it just turned out. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then show it some love by clicking that like button down below. If you enjoyed me, then show me some love by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends, family, loved ones, everyone. Shout it out to the world. If you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, my social medias will be linked down below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, click the ones that are popping up. You might enjoy those ones too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day. And I'll see you tomorrow on the continuation of 5 days of ALiEN.